What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, another episode. And I got a big surprise for you guys. Holy shit! Big surprise. We're gonna have a good time today. And shortly you guys are gonna see a couple cars, a couple nasty ones that it's gonna be a lot of fun. Today let's put this top down. I'm gonna drive over to my buddy's house. Look at that top. It's a beautiful day. Florida, as you can see, in a cloud in the sky. Sun coming up bright and early. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. So it's all for the views, guys. Wake up bright and early, get this stuff knocked out. Got my new kicks on, you know, my DQs. The ons, baby. Everybody always says DQ. It's O-N. People don't know O-N. All right, check them out. The new adventures. Good stuff. Gotta rock the new shoes, you know what I mean? Either way, I gotta hop on the road here, put my seatbelt on. We're gonna head south about 20 miles. And get some breakfast because I'm starving. Only had some coffee. Let's close that garage door. And got my phone, got the directions. We're gonna put some music on, top down. So I'll see you guys here shortly. Big surprise for y'all. Ooh! Bro, I mean, you can't even express how ridiculous that thing looks in person. You sending me photos.
Yeah, the photos don't do no good.
Photos do nothing. Nothing. And then in the garage.
Hey.
This one right here is the one I want to sit in, buddy.
Hey, put this right there in the front so I can pull it.
Yeah, I'm gonna back out. Oof, look at this thing. Let's take it on the back out of this. Oof, F8 Tributo, boys and girls. Ooh, we're gonna have some fun today. Bro, this satin black came out so good.
Hey, isn't it?
It's actually gloss black. That satin stealth PPF on top, bro.
You gotta be careful how you clean this down stains it.
Yeah, you gotta be real careful.
It looks awesome.
Yeah. I know this sunlight. Hopefully you guys can see this good shadow. It's early in the morning. That sun's coming up back there, so. Beautiful. Oh, I love this thing. Black and gold. The size of the wheels. Looks so good. Gotta eat some breakfast, and we're going for a ride.
Morning, guys. Morning.
Let's get in this bad boy right here.
Oh, man.
Bro, this thing smells brand new.
$500.
Brand spanking new. Smells like it's been sitting on the showroom.
Yep.
Very simplistic in here. Obviously, you got your gear shifter, reverse auto, start button like normal. carbon fiber. Shift lights. I love the little F8 Tributo. What just happened to the Porsche? It got loud.
What? What's up?
That thing got loud. It opens up.
Yeah.
Look at this gorgeous inside here. They did a great job. All this nice stitching, carbon fiber everywhere. The windows. It's like, feels like suede right here. USB back there. Got some Bluetooth. That's good. You got some modern tech. Drive modes. Oh, I love it. JBL, huh? Is the audio actually good?
Awesome.
Oh, really? Not like Lamborghini's garbage audio.
No, the Lamborghini was horrible.
Yeah, Lamborghini's
This
audio
thing
does
sounds
suck.
great. So does that one.
Yeah, Porsche always does though. Porsche's always been good with that. These supercars, they usually don't have the greatest audio, but this is crazy that this has got that good audio. Let me know what you guys think in the comments of this car. It is sick. Shall we? Shall we? What the?
Yeah, buddy.
Bro, I can't hold this camera like this. It's gonna hit me in the face. Oh my god, bro. How is this even faster than last
I
time?
try to tell you, bro. It's off, bro.
It's
Ain't
cool.
no
You're good.
miles.
You're good. You're good. Woo! Woo!
Yeah, buddy. Awesome. It was 100 miles an hour in 3 seconds.
Wow.
Yeah, buddy. All right, let's try to put the miles back on and see what happens. 100. And you know what's crazy, Johnny?
What's that?
There's cars out there that are faster than that, bro.
Yeah, that's nuts. Well, right now, like, I'll accept what this is.
Okay, so back off. Bro, that's so simple and easy.
Yeah, it works. Those pops, bro. How can you not love that?
Are you ready for this feeling? So, easy off, traction off, Sport Plus.
Oh man, you're gonna scare the shit out of this old
I need to
man.
let him go a little bit. I can just keep going.
Old man down there. He's way down there. You're gonna scare his dog. He's probably looking at us like, what are they
Oh, he's
doing?
coming this way?
Yeah.
All right, let me get past that ass. All right, ready?
Cheers. Holy hell! Holy shit! Holy shit!
Bro, that's
Bro, that was ridiculous.
How about that?
Bro, you didn't even slip.
It's lit.
It just fucking went.
Bro, is that fucking torque or what?
Holy shit. That's fast. Like my head like jerked back in the seat and I was already felt like I was sitting back.
So nuts, dude.
Alright. Oh my god. Boys and girls, that was 60 in like
2 seconds, bro.
2 seconds. Easily. As soon as he let off, we were at 60.
Now, can you explain the Turbo S now, dude? It's nasty fast, dude.
Oh man. Wow. It seems so quiet.
It is. It's like a baby. Wait till we get that fucking exhaust up.
That rear end comes out, bro.
Oh yeah.
This ain't all-wheel drive here.
Oh, gotta be careful.
Yeah, this street ain't for it. It's like, nope. You can feel that rear end sliding
it's
out.
all over
F8. Once that thing hooks, man.
It's stuck, bro.
Sliding though. It was like sliding.
Yeah.
Look at this guy.
I guess it ain't no joke.
This ain't no joke, bro. This thing's a fucking rocket. You can feel that ass end slide.
Yeah,
it's like
everywhere.
on the street, you gotta be careful.
Super careful. Especially you add another 100 and some horse.
Oh yeah, you're gonna have to change the tires.
Fucking nuts.
You're gonna need like big stickies.
I can't wait to hear this thing. Just gotta ease into it.
Wow.
I forgot it was that fast.
You forgot, huh?
I did. It goes, fuck. I guess it ain't no joke.
No, this ain't no joke, buddy.
Wait till we get 100
Dash
horse.
looks good. Tune's gonna be nice.
Oh yeah, tune DME Novatec race exhaust.
F8. We got nobody next to us. Oh, we do now. No, it's not. Oh yeah, look at that. Boop, boop, boop. It's bad the vet isn't here. I see him over there. Oh, this thing's got a lot of torque.
It's got a lot of torque.
Yeah, it's putting me in my seat almost as much as that Porsche does. The Porsche, you feel it more though.
It hooks better.
Yeah, that's because you're slipping. I think all that wheel spin we're getting, it like, obviously it loses some of that power, yeah.
But I mean, no, it goes.
Oh, look at this. Oh, that's old. I thought it was almost old Ferrari, but that's old. The distance it looked like
The launch control on this is way, way, way different too.
Oh, I'm sure it is.
It's so weak.
Oh, you're gonna have troubles with this right here. Getting up on this little hump. When you lower it. Oh, it's good. Was it 488 like that?
Oh yeah. So this is the launch control. It's way different. It's weak.
Woo. It didn't feel so weak.
Once it goes,
It didn't feel so weak. I don't know what the hell you're talking about. Weak. This guy said it feels weak. When you had 1,000 horsepower Porsche. You're talking trash about your F8 Tributo.
It's got 700 horse. That weak bitch.
It's weak. It's weak. This thing's weak.
I forgot though. No, it's torquey as fuck.
Yeah, it is.
I forgot about that. Shit. Yeah, no, I'm excited. Tune and exhaust.
Man.
It'll be sounding good.
I gotta go home in that stupid big.
No, you crazy. That thing goes too. I drove it.
I need to upgrade the tune now. Upgrade turbos.
You need turbo.
In my little
Oh,
335.
you know what? You might want to get out, John.
Oh yeah, I won't be able to get out the door here. Exit mode. Let's tuck it back in. These garage goals, boys and girls. 992. Stupid nasty tune. Up with the light adjust. Small light adjust. With the light to adjust. Tucked in. Yeah, go ahead. though, man. It's
Yeah, it's not bad,
It's
right?
definitely louder than what the 488s
Way
are stock.
louder than 488.
They did a better job with
It's
the
got a
stock
better
exhaust.
sound,
Yeah. Those pops too are good.
Yeah. Look at this shit, bro.
Well, peeps, what'd you guys think? What was your favorite, Porsche or the F8 Tributo? You guys vote in the comments below. What do you think is actually better? Now that Ferrari was stock, so speed-wise, it's definitely no slouch. That's 720 horsepower Ferrari F8 Tributo. But that Porsche is damn near making like 800 to the wheels or so, all four wheels. So it's definitely a little bit more of a rocket. With that tune lowered, those wheels look sick. Once that F8 gets tuned, it's gonna have about 100 more horse, so that thing's gonna be nasty, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the next video. Next time we're gonna do a video on that Ferrari after the tune and exhaust gets put on, it's lowered. Then we're gonna see what it feels like, sounds like. Oh man, I can't wait for that, man. And then we're gonna run those things and get some draggy times to see how good they do, man. Subscribe, I'll see you guys, I'm out. Oh, look at this vet, that's sweet right there.